Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing an in-depth love read for you. Let's see how Libra, how you're feeling, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's see what's happening here. And welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Libra, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Libra newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. All right. Oh. Okay. Action for person A and action for person B. Communication, Libra. Second half of July. I think very soon there's going to be communication between the two of you, or maybe that's the underlying energy of this reading. I haven't seen communication come out for you for a long time. But yes, somebody here still has sweet memories. Let me see. Okay. Somebody wants to end the fight here, Libra. Somebody here wants to leave the fight, come back as soulmates, partners, whatever, sweet memories here. And the other person is also, I think, kind of making a decision that, hey, if you're coming back, then this has to be stable, has to be just. Let's see what's going on. And there's communication, seeming very positive till now. So before I clarify these cards, Libra, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other right now, what that would be. Of course, I'm seeing communication coming. You'll be talking to each other, I guess, and not telling me what you're talking about. But I want to know what you guys are going to say. So we're going to take out some dialogue message cards for you. Too many here. Let's go one by one. Libra and their person, spirit. Libra and their person. Libra and their person. Oh, that's a lot of communication. Okay. Let's take a few from here. Libra and their person. If they could say something to each other right now, spirit, what would that be? Libra and their person. That's it. That's it. Okay. All right. So Libra, let's begin your reading. First card here says, I cried all night wondering why you weren't sleeping next to me. I'm telling you, somebody is really missing the other person, sweet, thinking of all the sweet memories and wanting this fight to end now. I'm not sure whether you love me for me or who you think I am. Insecurities. I never loved them. It was just about the sex. I love you. I think that's what somebody wants to come and say now. That, you know, earlier I never communicated, or I fought with you or did whatever, and maybe they were into third parties, but now they want to make up and say, hey, listen, whatever I did, let's just let that go. That was only about sex, but you're the only one I love. You made me realize I had flaws, and I'm trying to do better now. I can't stop thinking about the times we once shared. No one else comes close to all the good things you've done for me. You deserve to be loved. You are very special. I'm happy for you. And the last one says, I don't feel threatened by the karmics anymore. They were just playing their role. Oh, is this kiss and makeup time, Libra? You guys are forgiving each other and asking for forgiveness. What's happening in this reading? Alright, so what I'm going to do, Libra, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have to say today. And blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Libra gang. blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Emotions. Maybe that's the only thing that's been missing between the two of you, of actually opening up your emotions to each other. So yes, the fields are here, the fields are here. I think I should call this read that. Finally the emotion, the feelings are in the picture. Okay, so Libra, let's start with, okay, this is person A for me, this is person B, Libra. You will know which side you resonate with, right? If this is your reading. So I'm going to concentrate on person A and let's see what they're up to. Six of Cups, Spirit. How are they feeling in the Six of Cup energy, person A? Six of Cups. Six of Cups. Six of Cups. I think this person knows that they've created some bad memories in this connection, and that's the reason it kind of halted for some time. And yes, they haven't had the guts to come forward till now to apologize or say anything till now, but I think this person does want to take action now. But they are a little afraid of the other person, that they know there'll be a lot of question answers which they'll have to answer. They kind of feel their person has their guard up now, has their sword up, and probably chop their head off if they come show forth. So this person is a little scared and worried about that. They know they've done something which they have to be scared of. And that's the reason they haven't been coming forward till now. But they do want to end this fight. Five of Wands in reverse. Why is the Five of Wands in reverse? Yes, this person has clarity now. They want to talk. They want to have clear communication and once and for all end this fight. So one more for the Five of Wands. What do they want to talk about? Maybe somebody walked away from this connection. Maybe they walked away, maybe their person walked away. So they want to now have this communication and talk about it, about this walking away which happened of this connection. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, that all this happened with person A? The Magician. Somebody was trying to be a bit of an illusionist, trying to be a bit of a magician out there, hiding their feelings. They were trying to do a cover-up story here by, now you see it, now you don't kind of magician, emotionally keeping their person manipulated, not opening up, not showing emotions. And then what happened, Spirit? Now they want to re-begin. They want to restart, because whatever's happened between the two of you has made them very, very bored, very left out. They've been feeling sad and abandoned, and basically no one else is comparing, Libra. All these offers are there, but that one cup which came from heaven to them, I think they either didn't open up or they didn't show their emotion. They tricked the other person. They are now wanting that chance once again. They want another chance. They're a bit afraid. This is a past energy. So yes, this person could have broken some promises. This person could have broken some promises, even made energetically to maybe person B expected person A to do something. But all this while, whatever's been happening, this person was just being a magician. It's not that they didn't care. They were just trying to create these illusions, and throughout all this journey, they've been watching person B till now. They've had their eye on person B all the time. But now they want to return. They're a little scared, but they do want to have this communication. So how does person A now feel about the connection, Spirit, or how do they feel about person B now? They feel they've created a big imbalance in this connection. They're not sure whether their person will agree now to have an equal give and take with them now. They feel their person is emotionally shut down. They feel person B is now no longer interested in showing them any love, being a little closed off, little cold-hearted, not that warm Queen of Cups anymore. but they have a lot of passion for person B still. If they had their way, they would like do it now. I mean, this person has a lot of passion. They want things to start moving once again. They want things to start moving in a good direction again. Yes, this person desperately wants this conflict to end. They want this conflict to fight. I've had it twice now. So one more card, Spirit, for the Wheel of Fortune. What does this person want? My God, this person's in love. They know that this is my soulmate. Wow. Okay, all right. So let's see what action person A will take. We'll open that later, Libra. Let's go on to person B's side and let's see what they are doing. Two of Wands, Spirit, in reverse. Why is that there for them? Okay, one more. They've made a choice here that this connection is very toxic. I don't have much hope for this. This person will never bring me commitment, and that is what I want. I want a happily ever after. I want a stable partner in my life, and they're not sure whether this person is going to do that. They do want to have victory, heart of hearts. Either they will receive a message or give a message. There's a lot of communication happening here. I think they're going to feel very good I think it's person A who's going to initiate the conversation, and person B is going to feel victorious. They're going to feel, yes, this is that message I was waiting for. And yes, that hope is, I think, going to reignite. What's this? 10 of Pentacles? 10 of Pentacles. Yes, all this back and forth, juggling, will they call, will they not, are they for me, are they not, should I dump them, should I wait for them? I think this Queen of Wands is going to be on fire once again, Libra. Alright, so what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? Justice. One second, this was sideways. What is this Justice card, Spirit? What happened in the recent past? They wanted somebody to make a choice. Yes, they wanted somebody to make a choice, but they wanted the right thing to be done. But I don't think that was done. Four of Wands in reverse. I think person A probably came across looking like a King of Wands, yes. King of Wands is a very attractive person, very sexy, very hot, but they are sometimes very full of themselves as well. They like all the attention on them and they like people to chase them. So then what happened, Spirit? Yes, they thought that person B was being a little cocky. They felt this King of Pentacles did make them very happy, mind you. Person B was very happy with them, but they felt there's no stability, there's no long-term promise. And what person B was looking for was a very fair relationship. Like, you fill my cup, I'll fill your cup, and if that's not being done, then you can't have all the 9 cups and you give me none, right? So person B only had one condition, and I don't think that was fulfilled, only because person A was being the magician here. They were hiding their feelings all this while. Okay, so now how does person B feel about this connection, or person A now? 10 of Wands in reverse. 10 of Wands in reverse. 10 of Wands in reverse. Person B is quite stubborn as well. They feel, this brought me nothing but stuck energy. I've already dropped it. I already know everything about you, which they think they know. So all the secrets are already out, and justice is that we should end this connection. Am I right, Spirit? That's how they feel? Heart of Hearts, yeah, they feel I've just kind of, healed myself. I don't want to go back to a place which is going to be full of third parties again, or it's going to make me unhappy again. I just don't want this scenario with you again. I want a balanced life where I am anyways doing very well for myself now, and I'm the Empress, and I'm looking away from this connection. Empress spirit, Empress. Yes, I think I think this Empress has an attitude, Libra. This Empress is saying, I'm leaving you out in the cold. You were a magician in the past. You were a trickster. This is your punishment. You left me out in the cold, and see, I've become the Empress, and now I decide what happens in my life. So little playing hard to get is going to happen from person B's end. Okay, so person A, will you take any action towards person B, or are you going to be scared? Temperance. Okay, they're being patient. They want to heal this connection for sure. Temperance spirit. Temperance. Yes, they've chosen person B. Person B, whether you like it, you don't like it, you are already the chosen one for person A. They think you are their Two of Cups. They have so much passion for you. They want to heal things with you. They want to make you their special person, spouse, or whatever, long-term partner. They are wanting to bring this back into balance. So will they take any action? Yes, they're going to come. They are going to come and say, "Hey, you are my star. You are the one. You are my chosen one. I don't want any other options. And this time, if you are the Empress, I'm no less. I'm going to show that I'm your Emperor." They're going to come forward with solid ground this time. They've made up their mind who's their wish fulfillment. They want no other option except this one. Okay, so person B, will you take any action? Person B is very upset yet. No, they're in the Queen of Pentacles in reverse energy right now. So why is that an action, Spirit? Are they going to refuse them? Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that action? One more. I think person B is going to create a tower moment. Person B may just create a tower moment to say, I'll wait and see. I'm in no rush here. Okay, don't rush me. I'm still choosing what I want to do. According to me, I've already dropped you. And this is going to be a shocker that they're going to create for person A. This person B is now going to kind of go slow and steady. They're not going to jump back into person A. This person is going to say, I will wait and watch. I want to see what work you're going to put in. Let's just work it out. Let's work together or whatever. Let's just kind of see where it goes. Am I right, Spirit? Person B, anything else you want to say here? Yes, they want to take some time to heal their broken heart. They're saying, I've just kind of healed myself. I'm still healing from this heartbreak that you've given me. I need a little more time. You'll have to prove it to me. Show me that you're going to put in the work. You will have to now heal my broken heart and show me that you're going to do it. So person A, ball is in your court. Will you do it? Will you heal them? Will you be good to them? Person A, what are you going to do? Anything you want to say here? Oh my God. I'll treat her like an empress, says person A. I am their emperor, they're my empress. This person has made up their mind. Yeah. They're going to start from scratch. This is going to be a solid new beginning. And yes, communication is very, very possible now, starting from now onwards. Emotions are going to run high. I won't lie about that. These are dark emotions, right? So person A is a bit afraid. The person B is upset, but they are sure that this is their soulmate, this is their empress, this is the one they see. They want nobody else. They were only being a magician because they were scared to show their emotions. They haven't taken their eye off person B all this while. Person B has been broken-hearted. they are anyways the empress. I mean, they are working on themselves, and they want to punish person A a little bit by saying, hey, if you were playing trickster with me, magician in reverse, and this is my turn, I'm going to leave you out in the cold for a little while, and prove it that you mean it. All right, so Libra, that's all I have for you. Let's see where the story goes, and I'll see you next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.